Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olier here. I hope you are well and having a wonderful day. So for those of you that have just joined my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. But for those of you that have been following me and are subscribed to my channel, you will know that I'm actually in the process of going through redundancy. Now this video isn't about that, but what I wanted to tell you is, if you had seen my last video, is that I've set myself a massive challenge, and that massive challenge is to generate £3,000 in 31 days. That's roughly a month. Okay, so that's the challenge I've set myself, and in this video is really give you an idea of where I am with that. So I've decided to start the clock of this challenge on the 1st of March. It is now the 26th of February, so I'm going to use this time from now up until the 1st of March to plan exactly how am I going to achieve that goal of reaching £3,000 in 31 days. Now there are many ways to do that. Now the one caveat I have given myself is to generate this income online. Now for those of you that know me and have been following me will know that I've become quite efficient in generating income online via the means of affiliate marketing. Now for those of you that don't know what that is, make sure you check out my other videos, because I go into details in terms of how you can start into the world of affiliate marketing and how you can start generating income. So that is one of the strategies, but what I'm also doing is researching other methods and other ways of generating income online. Now affiliate marketing is an excellent vehicle for generating passive income. I am going to be exploring other ways of generating money online, and what I'm going to do is put a plan and hopefully list out all the different strategies that I'm going to use to help me reach this goal. Now I want to take you guys with me, and I will be documenting exactly what I do, how I do it. So if you like the sound of that and you want to know more, then make sure you hit that like button. Leave some comments down below as well in terms of what ways are you using to generate money online. You know, I want to hear from you guys. If you haven't already, make sure that you smash the notifications button, that little bell icon, so that every time I put out a video you will be one of the first to know that I've done that. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm hoping that through my channel that you will see that it's possible of generating money, coming away from the rat race, not having to work a 9 to 5, but generating money on your terms. So I'm going to leave it there. You look after yourself, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care. Always signing out.